show you how to flip a text in Canva. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So all you need to do is just go to the canva.com website right over here, and once you're there, you just need to select the design where you want to flip the text. And once you're in the design, you just need to add a text through this button that says text right over here. Just select the text that you want to add. You can write anything you want here, and now you can see the text. So if you want to flip it, just tap on it like this, and once you've done so, you will notice this button right over here. So you just need to focus on this button, and you need to use this button to flip the text like this. Now you can see you have successfully flipped the text. So it's really easy. So in this way, you would successfully be able to flip a text in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos you would like. And we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.